Hi, welcome to Sumery P. I love sharing my delicious and simple recipes for you to make to impress your friends and family. If you're new here today and you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. All you need is a Google account, then you hit subscribe, hit the bell, and then you'll be notified as soon as I have a new video. I'm releasing videos twice a week, every Monday, every Friday morning, UK time. I've got my exciting bechamel sauce with oat milk video to share with you. So if you'd like to see how to make bechamel sauce, but with oat milk, come with me and let's see. So you might be wondering why I use oat milk. I've found that when I use oat milk instead of regular milk, it's kinder on my tummy. I don't get that kind of bloated, sick feeling that I do when I drink cow's milk. And when I swap out oat milk instead of regular milk, it pretty much performs a similar way. So if you're using oat milk for your cereal and you want to try cooking with it, try this simple recipe. So we have all of our ingredients: 500 mils of oat milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of seeded mustard, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika and nutmeg, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Let's get started on our bechamel sauce. I've got my saucepan heating up here, and I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we add 2 tablespoons of flour. So we want to mix that together to make what's called a roux. So I'm not used to my induction hob, it's going a little bit fast. And we just need to cook that for a minute or two so it doesn't have all that floury taste. And then I've got some oat milk here, I've got 500 mils. And we just need to add a little bit at a time. So what I'll do is I'm swapping out my spoon for a flat whisk. And as I'm pouring the milk in, we just want to keep stirring it so it doesn't get all lumpy. So we just keep stirring that. And if you want to make it vegan, you can just swap out the butter for a non-dairy butter. I've made it that way a few times when I've cooked for vegan friends, and it still tastes great. You can also prep this the day before. I'm making this for a vegetarian lasagna, which I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm just going to put the heat up a little bit more now. And my sauce has gone really nice and thick now. Just going to zoom the camera in for you. So it's bubbling away. We'll just swap back over to our wooden spoon and I'm going to add the rest of the milk. One thing I like to add to my bechamel sauce is mustard. I usually use Dijon or French mustard, but I've run out and I haven't been able to buy it here in the UK. So what I'm going to do is seeded mustard today, which will taste just as good. This is optional. You don't need to add this if you don't like mustard. We'll add more milk. And the other thing I like to do, I like to tweak it up with a little bit of spice. So I'm just adding a little pinch of paprika. This is optional as well. A little sprinkle of nutmeg. And a tiny, tiny sprinkle of cayenne pepper for a bit of spice. Just some regular salt and pepper. That's just my version. You can leave those out if you don't want to add any spice. You can just add salt and pepper and keep it quite simple. But I like to add my own little tweak to a lot of things that I do. I just need my whisk again. One of my spices has decided to go lumpy, so just whisk that around a little bit. And then I've got 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to add that in. If you wanted to make it vegan, use nutritional yeast. I've made that also, this with nutritional yeast, and it tastes amazing. I love it as well. Because we're making it for tomorrow, we can just sit it aside now and let it get to room temperature before we refrigerate it. But that'll go really thick while it's sitting aside. That's it. That's my bechamel sauce with oat milk. So if you've liked my video today, let me know in the comments below. Write down below your favorite way of making bechamel sauce. I like oat milk because it's the most similar to regular milk. I'll see you next time. Bye. I forgot to say that I'll be doing a video with this oat milk in it, my vegetarian lasagna. So stay tuned and you'll see a new video very soon. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video today, share it with a friend, hit the like button, the thumbs up, write a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And don't forget, hit the bell, and then you get notified as soon as I have a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.